Interpretation by correlation, relativity, and approximation. In this case, laughing in a dream means sorrow, while smiling in a dream means politeness and correct conduct. Crying in a dream is usually interpreted as happiness, but when accompanied with intonation or wailing, it means a calamity. As for putting grease over one's hair, dream interpreters infer the meaning of adornment, while if it dribbles over one's face, they call it hypocrisy, fawning, or adulation. As for saffron in a dream, they interpret it to mean praises or commendation, while should its color manifest in one's body or clothing, then they call it an illness. As for feathers in a dream, they call them wealth or comfort, but when one sees himself flying with wings, they interpret it to mean travels or rising in station, depending on how high one reaches in his dream. If one's hand is cut off in a dream, and if he sees himself carrying it, it means having a brother or a son, while if he loses it in the dream, it means an adversity or loss of a brother or a son. If a sick person sees himself in a dream walking out of his house in silence, it means his death and funeral, while if he speaks in the dream, it means that he will recover from his illness.